G'day guys, M10Tam here. Believe it or not, this is the next tutorial in the Octane Render tutorial series. So I've been away for a long time, I have been sick, and then I got school started, and then all these floods of essays, assignments just flooded, and this is in the first week of coming back. So, yeah, it wasn't hard, it was just time consuming. So today we're going to be learning how to do a CSS hack. Now I can't take full credit for this, I'm not nearly as smart, but the person who made up this CSS effect is by a person called Refacti who lives in Germany. Sorry I said that wrong, Germany. And it's not like it is effective, it's a small little CSS effect, but it's not physically correct CSS. So I just left this cooking for about 16 minutes. I went to talk and got a drink and got caught up in a conversation. So yeah, this is in PMC with all the settings overclocked, so it doesn't take this long to get this render because this looks really bad. So yeah, let's start this from scratch. Let's go to File, New, and I'll be back in a second. And I'm sorry about that. Okay, so first we're going to start off by loading our OBJ. You can do whatever you want, however I'm setting mine up with a mesh-based lighting. You can use a HDRI if you want, but just to show the full effect of CSS, I'm going to have the mesh-based lighting. So in this tutorial we'll be using the mixed texture node, which I haven't gone into detail, but this is a good way to experiment. So first we're going to make a diffuse for the ground. So connect your diffuse up, put that here. Then we're going to make another diffuse. This is going to be for the lighting, as you can see. And then we're going to add a emissions, a textured emission, put that to the blue one, and that should be very bright. Okay, so now go to your world settings, put the texture all the way down so it's all black, and this is the only lighting source there. Alright, here's a fun bit. Go to File, no, go to, I keep on saying File, go to right click, add, go to Materials, go to Mix Material, and connect that to the monkey. Now we're going to add a glossy and connect that up to the second. Can go to materials, put specular, and put that there. Okay, so now here is the magic bit. Go to add textures, colors, RGB spectrum, and put that to the second to last dot, color absorption color, and put this to any color you want. I'm going to do red because red's cool. And as you can see, the absorption is red and everything else is black. See, it's only absorbing some light. It's absorbing all this light because it's kind of translucent-ish. Now, to get a better effect on this, to get rid of the glossy feeling, I just click on the material so you don't have to go to the material. I got rid of the roughness on the specular material and made it more kind of like skin type-ish, if that makes any sense. That's pretty much the only settings you should mess with in the specular. Yeah, get rid of that. And get rid of that. And let's go back and make this a skin color now since we've seen it. Skin color's around, it's more of a brownish, orangish. Yeah. And you can also change the color of this too to the same color of this. One. 0.417, 0.417, and yeah, that looks pretty sick actually. Now, doesn't really do anything. So yeah, try and mess around with some of the parameters. Let's just have a quick, let's just raise this up, go crazy with this, see how far we can go. And let's put it in PMC. And let's also get, oh yeah, that's rendering out. Nice, that's actually pretty good, looking pretty good. So as you can see, the light's being sucked in around here, and light's being sucked in into here. Now since it's doing a shitload of path bounces and paths through the specular, which is also glossy, it's going to take a long time, and you're going to need a lot of samples. Because once you see those blotches, you think, yep, this is going to take a while. Caustics are really hard to calculate. You need a brute force algorithm to do it. And about 1,000 cores, which is minimum. Alright, so that's the tutorial. I'd like to thank Refracty for making the post about it. And yeah, holy shit, that looks pretty good. Check this out. Nice. I mean like this texture, not the actual model. I'm cool like that. Alright, so thank you for watching this tutorial, and wow, that looks good. Look at that too. And hopefully you will make use of this until the actual subsurface scattering is implemented. Thank you, and see ya.